how to enable or disable mobile networks data roaming on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, go down and then tap on connections. Next, we go down and tap on mobile networks. From here, tap on data roaming. Tap on the toggle button to turn on or switch off data roaming. And say that using mobile data while roaming may result in additional charges. And actually, the charges can be very high if you are using data roaming, and it is very expensive. So make sure it is turned off if you are not using it. And finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.